How to add a long shadow effect in Gimp. First, I need to create my canvas. Click here on File, click on New, and for example, let's say 2000 by 2000 pixels. Click here on OK, and I will change it to be black. So now I need to add a text. So click here on Text, and I will say something, for example, like this, and I need to change the color of this text to be white. Okay? And here you can see shadow, and I will increase the size, for example, 300 pixels. So to add a long shadow effect, you need to go here on Filters, and then go here on Light and Shadow, and then click here on Long Shadow. Now you can edit your shadow. So first I will change the color of this shadow. Click here, and then let's say, for example, to be green. Click OK, and here you can see shadow is green. Here you can play with the style. When I click here on infinite, here you can see it is now infinite. When I click here, fading, it is fading now. And also fading fixed length. Also, I can play with the angle. Currently, it is 45 degrees angle, as you can see here. But when I do this, that angle will change. Okay? Also, I can play with the length. Here you can see I increase the length, I decrease the length. Also, I can change the midpoint. As you can see here, I'm changing midpoint. And also you can play with the opacity. You can change the opacity. As you can see here, I'm changing opacity. Really simple, really easy to add long shadow effect in Gimp.